Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. Today, I'm going to show you how to change picture background in Canva in just a few simple steps. If you are searching to replace a photo background in Canva, you come to the right place. But before we jump into it, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I've also added some useful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them. Alright, let's get started. To change a picture background in Canva, first of all, open the Canva app on your computer or go to the Canva website. Once you're on Canva, log into your account if you haven't already. Now, create a new design or choose your existing design. Once the design editor opens, upload an image from which you want to change or replace the background. To upload, click on Uploads from the left sidebar and choose one from your device. Once uploaded, click on the image to add it to your design. I am going to change this photo's current background with something else. Now, click on the image to select it. At the top of the screen, click on Edit. From the left panel, click on BG Generator under Magic Studio. Remember, this feature is only available for Pro Plan users. Now, in the text box, type what type of background you want for your image. Once you've described your background, click on the Generate button. Canva will automatically generate the new background for your picture in a few seconds. You can select one of these 4 different background options. Now, your picture has a new background and is ready to use in your design.